In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save video from CapCut to PC. If you've finished editing your project and you're ready to turn it into a real video file on your computer, this process is very simple. Once everything on your timeline looks the way you want, the next step is exporting the project properly so it saves to the exact folder you choose on your PC. Start by moving your mouse to the top right corner of the CapCut window. There you'll see a blue button labeled Export. Go ahead and click it once. This opens the export panel in the center of your screen. Think of this as the final setup window where you confirm the name, location, and video quality before CapCut creates the finished file. At the top of this panel, you'll find the title field. Click inside that box and type the name you want for your video. It's a good idea to use a clear, recognizable title so it's easy to find later, especially if you export multiple versions of the same project. Just below that, look for the Export to section. On the right side of that row, click the small folder icon. A new window will open, allowing you to browse your computer. From here, navigate to the exact folder where you want the completed video to be saved. This could be your desktop, downloads folder, videos folder, or any project folder you've already created. Once you've chosen the right location, click Select Folder to confirm it. Next, review the export settings before creating the file. Make sure the video option is checked so CapCut exports the project as a video. Then look through the quality settings, especially the resolution. For best results, make sure the resolution is set to 1080p or higher. This is especially important if your video includes screen recordings, text, or detailed visuals, because a higher resolution helps everything stay sharp and clear. Once you've confirmed the name, save location, and quality settings, move down to the bottom right corner of the panel and click the blue Export button. CapCut will begin processing your project, and you'll see a progress indicator while it compiles everything into a finished video file. When the export is complete, your video will be saved directly to the folder you selected on your PC. That's it, you've successfully named your file, chosen where to save it, and exported your CapCut project into a ready-to-use video.